Good morning and welcome to Golden Hour. So today we have a class for the morning time where we're just going to focus on standing poses. So this will be a short class to help wake up the body and to really feel energized for the day ahead. So it's also a great class if you don't necessarily have a mat or you just want to have a bit more energy and don't feel like grounding down into the mat. We have Yin here. We'll see how much he joins in the class or not. And all we'll need today is ourselves. So coming to stand about hip width distance apart. Shift the weight forward into your toes and then back into your heels. Stand up nice and tall in your mountain. So pressing down, finding that grip through the feet. And we're drawing up the kneecaps, tucking the tailbone under, drawing in the navel, open through the chest, reach through your fingers. And let's roll our shoulders up, back and down. Begin with a few deep breaths here. Deep inhale through the nose. Deep exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And this breath, inhale, lift your hands overhead. Exhale, hands by your side. Take your time. Inhale, hands reach. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This time, reaching your arms straight up. Exhale, cactus the arms, bend your elbows. 2 more. Very nice, hands by your side. Inhale, hands reach overhead. Take hold of your right wrist, side bend. Sorry, your left wrist, side bend to the right. We stay here for 1 breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, back to center, reaching long. Exhale, take hold of your right wrist this time, bend to the left. 1 full breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, back to center. We'll do one more round to the right. Exhale here, press down both feet. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, back to center, reach long. Exhale to the left. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale to center. And exhale, sitting into chair. 1 full breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, fold forward. Exhale, release down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, take hold of your big toes, bend your elbows and fold forward into Padangusthasana. Inhale. Exhale. Bending your knees as you need. 2 more breaths here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, slide your palms under the soles of your feet. Padangastasana. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Breathe in. Breathe out. We'll take one more breath here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, halfway lift, lengthen your spine. Breathe out, hands to waist. Breathe in all the way up to stand. Exhale into your mountain. Very nice. Come to the top of your mat. Take a big step out with the left foot. I'll see how I go with the dog. Sorry, Jean. Then turning our right foot to the front of the mat. Bend through your right knee. Warrior two. 2 deep breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Sinking down through the hips. Inhale, pressing your back heel down. Exhale. Reverse your warrior, up and back. 2 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. And maybe for this final breath, holding onto your wrist, pulling it back even deeper. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, straightening your front leg, reaching forward. Triangle pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bending your front knee, rising back up. We'll switch direction, turning to the back of the mat, left foot forward. This time, bend your knees. Warrior two. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, reverse your warrior up and back. Exhale. Final breath, holding onto the wrist. Release your front leg, reach towards your left foot, calming down, triangle pose. Inhale, calming back up, turning both toes so that we're facing the long edge of the mat, all 10 toes facing the long edge. Hands to your waist, inhale, lift through the chest. Exhale, start to fold forward, prasarita. Release your hands down. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, fold. We'll take 3 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to your waist and pulling yourself back up to stand. This time we'll interlace our fingers, open through the chest. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale. Exhale. So these next 2 breaths I won't count, following the speed of the deep inhales. Inhale, halfway lift, hands under shoulders. Exhale, hands to your waist. Inhale, all the way up to stand. And then we're turning to the front of the mat, stepping up, arriving in Tadasana. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Inhale into chair pose. Exhale, hands to heart. Staying here for one more breath. Inhale, sitting back deep. Exhale, twisting to the right. Navel into spine. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, twist to the left. Sitting back in both your hip bones. Inhale to center, reach your arms long. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, step your left foot back, coming into a high lunge. Inhale. Exhale, sitting deep. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, hands to heart. And exhale, stepping up to the front of the mat, flexing your front foot, sitting low in your figure four. So we're placing the ankle onto the right thigh, hands to heart center. 3 deep breaths here. Maybe hands all the way to the shin or all the way to the floor, you decide. 2 more breaths. Drawing your left sit bone down. One more breath. Very nice. Draw your knee up into chest and exhale, releasing down, shaking out the legs. Very nice. We'll move to the other side. Inhale, big step back, high lunge, reach tall. Exhale, sinking down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, hands to chest, stepping up and finding our figure four on the other side. Both sit bones down, sinking into the hips. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Coming back up, releasing your legs, giving them a shake. I'll move through one more set of twists standing and then we'll finish out for today. Inhale, hands reach overhead. Exhale, right hand back, left hand forward. Draw your right hip towards the front of the room. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, left hand back, right hand forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, both hands to sky. Exhale, fold forward. One last time. You can bend out through both knees. Release the head. And slowly rolling all the way up to standing. See how slow you can move here. Hands sweep overhead like you're moving through water. And exhale, hands into heart, moving slow. Release your hands by your side. 2 more deep breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feeling any changes, any sensations in the body. Maybe adding a little smile to the lips. ready, bring your hands to heart center, bowing down towards yourself. Namaste. Thanks so much for joining this morning here on the mat. I had a little guest appearance from Jin, who's now sunbathing just a few meters ahead of me. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Let me know how it was for you. We haven't done a purely standing flow before, so keen to hear your feedback. And I'll see you another morning soon. Bye.